Introducing DingGo Fleet.
DingGo Fleet is a new and digital-first accident management platform built to provide the best possible customer experience, reliability and reporting. DingGo Fleet covers all your fleet's accident management requirements, from first incident lodgment to repairer allocation, assessment, insurance claim lodgements and repairs, to recoveries, settlements and replacement hire cars. Everything a fleet needs, powered by a digital-first platform unlike any other. And because everything is managed through one platform, everything is monitored, tracked and reported, all accessible for fleet customers through their own custom dashboard that provides real-time insights and reporting. So, how does DingGo Fleet work? When a vehicle is damaged, instead of driving around to get quotes,
Drivers can now just take a few photos and submit them with their incident details to DingGo Fleet straight from their phone via the DingGo website, or calling DingGo Direct if in need of urgent assistance or make safe support.
Once the driver is safe, DingGo then tenders the repair request to our high-quality network of independent repair shops, all local to the driver. DingGo guarantees competitive quotes without ever compromising on quality. With up to 3 competitive repair quotes returned in less than 2 business days, we use our tender marketplace to get the best price for repairs while saving on vehicle inspection cost and reducing vehicle downtime to help you get your vehicles back on the road faster. And for those undrivable vehicles which can't be quoted from photos, we will organise a tow for the vehicle to the best local repairer, and their quote will then be independently assessed to ensure it is fair and reasonable. Throughout the process, all communications are automated to reach either the driver, insurer or approving fleet manager where relevant. As soon as all the repair quotes are in, the fleet manager is notified so they can compare the quotes and select the best offer. If the quotes come in over the insurance excess, they can simply elect to use their insurance, and DingGo will lodge a claim on their behalf and manage it all from there. Once a repair has been authorised, the driver is automatically notified, and they can book a repair date that works best for them. If required, a hire car will be delivered to the chosen repairer too. So when the driver drops off their car for repair, they step out of their damaged car and straight into their replacement hire car. It's that seamless and easy. All our repairers offer the driver helpful pickup and drop-off options. All repair updates, scope changes and communications are automatically managed by our system between all the relevant parties, so there are no surprises. Any third-party recoveries or third-party settlements will be managed as required too. DingGo works with some of the best partners, all integrated into the DingGo platform, who deliver fast, thorough third-party cost management.
We even make the billing for all costs easy, as DingGo Fleet consolidates all costs under one supplier.
Once a repair is complete, the driver is notified and is returned their newly repaired car, swapping out of their hire car on the spot so they can simply drive away.
DingGo pays the repairer, insurer, hire car company and relevant parties direct, and then invoices the fleet. The transaction is then included on the fleet's monthly invoice summary.
DingGo Fleet is a completely digital accident management platform, so data on all repairs, live claim updates, comprehensive reporting and insights are all accessible for fleet managers anytime through their own custom DingGo Fleet dashboard. It's a digital one-stop shop that's easy for all users. DingGo, transforming vehicle accident management.